Hi there, buzzing along here in the state of Maine, kind of right in the middle of the state. We're in an area called the Gulf Hagas area, and we're staying at the AMC Lodge, which are rustic cabins nearby. Anyway, we're going on this Gulf Hagas loop trail, which goes through some very scenic areas, which I think you'll see video of as we progress along. So welcome back to Buzzing Along, and we'll talk to you down the trail. Some rickety bridges on this trail. Hey, buzzing along here in downtown Bangor, Maine, the Wicked Brew Cafe. Cecile and I are enjoying a great cup of coffee. I'm gonna walk inside now. And here we are. And here are the two of the baristas in this lovely place.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice
and
to
we
meet
love
you.
your coffee.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Try to put the love into it.
That away. Lots of rock on this trail. Hey, there's Cecile. While we're hiking in Acadia National Park. What a view. What a view. Look at this stuff. Approaching the top.
There's actually more.
I think we'll call this the top. This is it.
What, honey?
This is definitely it. Yeah.
That does not look higher.
All right, you're on film. At the top of the mountain, and we are now looking south into the Atlantic Ocean. You know, this would be a good place to watch the sunrise. And there's Cecile. What a champ. Hey, what a fantastic place. You can hear Cecile in the background. She's figuring out our team for fantasy football. There's at least one game this evening, and we're 0-2, so we need a win. Well, here's a little coffee joint called Thrive, and it's in kind of an alley in town, and we had a great cup of coffee here with avocado toast. Walking inside now. We met the owner, Megan, and she is just a delightful person. And here's the one of the baristas, Brendan. Is it Brendan?
Brandon, yeah.
Brendan,
yeah.
Well, I'm Buzz. This is Cecile. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
And there's Megan, one of the owners. Delightful person. Stairway to heaven. Getting closer to the top. We are at the top of Cadillac Mountain, and there are a few hundred people here. I think most of them drove up, panning around. I think this angle is particularly intriguing with all those islands out there. Probably one of the best days of the year here. It's about 60 degrees and totally clear. Doesn't happen often on the Maine coast. Okay, we are on our way down after spending a lovely hour and a quarter or so at the top. Just spectacular scenery in every direction. Amazing day. Big cruise ships in the harbor there. People hiking up. We're hiking down. And there's Cecile. She's a trooper. I must say that great coffee abounds in the state of Maine. We just finished a coffee at a place called A Slice of Eden in Bar Harbor. And now we're off to, where are we going?
Acadia Garden.
Acadia Garden, to look at birds. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.